Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my online English video class. In the last classes, we had of chapter number 29, in which we had completed definition of preposition, and then after in the next video we had explained or we had studied exercise A and exercise B. So these two things we have been clear, and also we have read about function of preposition. So in today's class, that is the third class of this lecture of this chapter, we are going to have the next portion given in your book. You can open your book, student, to page number 140. Or in 140 page function we have studied. Okay. Now from here we have to start today. Okay. Prepositions and adverbial particle. Okay, that we have to start. You can see that this is given on page number 140 of your book. So here is talking about preposition and adverbial particles. Clear? Some preposition can work as adverbs. Okay, some prepositions can work as adverb. तो कैसे? Let's see. They are called adverbial particles. Okay, why they are called adverbial particles? Because they works as a preposition. Clear? We can find out whether a preposition work as an adverbial particle in a sentence by seeing how it has been used and its meaning. So how it is used as an adverbial particle, that we will see. So here you can see the example. First example is talking about, before the police arrived, the thieves took off. Okay, यहाँ पे जो यूज़ किया गया है, that is used as like an adverbial phrase. Took off. What is took off? Took off means run away. Run away. Before the police arrived, the thieves took off. मतलब पुलिस के आने से पहले थीफ क्या हो गया? वो रन अवे हो गया, भाग गया. सो यहाँ पे जो took away है, that is used as an adverbial particle because it is just working as an what we can say preposition. Clear? Second says, could you please help me take the book off? Okay, could you please help me? Just wait. Could you please help me take? Now here take, and then after comes here. In between take and off there is the subject. Okay, now here there was no subject. No, took off is given simply. Now here see that took off is given. Took off just come together. Took plus off, they both come together. But here we are talking about take the book off. Now take the book off is working as an preposition. Clear? I hope things are clear to you. Now see the next one. Not a single student showed up for the yoga class. Okay, showed up for a yoga class. Now here showed up means come. Okay, आना या करना. तो कोई भी स्टूडेंट योगा क्लास के लिए नहीं आया, तो यहाँ पे शोड अप इज यूज्ड एन एडवर्बियल पार्टिकल. क्लियर? नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन. ही क्वाइटली क्लाइम्ड अप द स्टेयर. ओके, नाउ हियर ओनली गिवन अप. ओके, नाउ अप इज यूज्ड एन प्रीपोजिशन. शोड अप दैट कम्स टुगेदर, so that is why it is used and adverbial. And now he climbed up, that is used as the preposition. So that is structure that you have to somewhere keep in your mind when it is used as an preposition and when it is used as an adverbial phrase. Clear? Now appropriate preposition. कुछ appropriate preposition दिया हुआ है, that you have to understand. Page number 140. There are certain types of words, especially verbs, nouns and adjectives, take away a certain preposition after them. Okay, there are some fixed preposition that I am going to teach you, that there are some fixed preposition that comes with verbs, noun and adjectives. That is a fixed preposition. We cannot change it. Okay, we have to accept it or we have to learn it as it is there. See that? Okay, so first of all, preposition with verbs. Agree with. See, agree is what? Agree is verb. Okay. अच्छा, verb के साथ क्या आया? With. And what is with? With is preposition. So now verb plus preposition, that is why verb plus preposition. So now we are going to have this one. So when verb plus preposition will come together, let's see what would be with the help of example. Agree with. So my friend refused to agree with. See, this came together. Okay, agree with my point of view. Now second is decide on. Father has finally, that is decided. Okay, let me check in the book. Okay, that is decided. Let me clear it, otherwise students get confused. That is DECIDED. Okay, so that will be father has finally decided on buying a new car. Then again the same blame for. You cannot blame me for your blunder. Congratulate on. I congratulate, that is I congratulate him on his brilliant success. Clear? Depend on, or depend on and depend upon, both can be come together. Okay, or you can use one by one. So you can depend on him to do the job perfectly. Call off the music show. The music show was called off for no apparent reason. So that was all about verb plus preposition. Now comes to the preposition with the noun. Now with noun. So there will be noun and then preposition. See, confidence in. Now confidence is a noun and in is preposition. All of us have complete confidence in. Now this is noun plus preposition. Limit to. Limit is noun and to is preposition. There is limit to. Clear? What a person can tolerate. Objection to. I have no objection. Objection is noun and to is preposition. To your going to the movies today. Okay. Opportunity for. Opportunity is noun and then for is preposition. This is an opportunity for him to showcase his talent. Pity for, again noun and preposition. We were all full of pity for the lonely little boy. Pride in. I take pride in the fact that I achieved the goal single-handedly. Okay. Now preposition with the adjective. Blind to. See, blind is adjective and to is preposition. Okay. Blind is adjective and this to is preposition. My mother is often blind to the fault of her own children. अच्छा, अभी मैं अगर यहाँ पे लिखूँ ना कि blind in तो जस्ट रिमेंबर, जब blind के साथ टू आता है तो हम किसी भी फॉल्ट या आइडियाज़ की बात करते हैं कि मेरी मदर जो है वो उसके फॉल्ट से क्या है, अनजान है. शी इज समवेयर अनअवेयर ऑफ द फॉल्ट ऑफ हर ओन चिल्ड्रन. ठीक है. लेकिन अगर मैं कहूँ कि शी इज़ ब्लाइंड इन, सो ब्लाइंड इन मतलब वो आँख से अंधी है. शी समवेयर एबल्ड विद हर आइज, डिसेबल्ड. सो वो अपनी एक आँख से अंधी है. शी इज़ ब्लाइंड इन विद शी इज़ ब्लाइंड इन आइज. तो एक आँख से अंधी है, बट वी से शी इज़ ब्लाइंड टू द आइडियाज़ और द फॉल्ट ऑफ एनी अदर. ठीक है. डिफरेंट फ्रॉम, तो शी इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हर सिस्टर. अगेन एडजेक्टिव प्लस प्रीपोजिशन. ट्रू टू. सो ट्रू टू. Proud of, that is pride in, and then after you are proud of, just remember, sorry for that. So that was all about this preposition, verb, preposition, noun and preposition with the adjectives. Now come to the next exercise. Exercise C. Exercise C. So in exercise C, are you applying for? He is too proud of. I got robbed of my watch, my phone and all my money. He is never ashamed of. Clear? Number 5. She is quite fast at learning language. Isn't this painting exactly similar to? Read carefully because this question consists of. Consist के साथ of. Okay. Now, I love the saint of earth. He was accused of. Why don't you put the teapot? Why don't you put the teapot on? यहाँ पे ऑन होगा. मैं लिख दूँ, अदरवाइज स्टूडेंट्स विल टेल दैट मैम दिस इज नॉट गिवन इन द PDF. सो आंसर इज ऑन. क्लियर? नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज स्टूडेंट, दैट इज एक्सरसाइज D. in each sentences take the correct preposition. Okay, so she bought the beggar some food. Now here, from here you have to take something on, so beside. Okay, she bought the beggar some food besides giving him some clothes. Okay, so क्या किया उसने, फूड के साथ साथ और क्या क्या दिया उसको, क्लोथ्स भी दिया. beside का मतलब होता है in addition to. ओके, इन एडिशन टू मतलब इसके साथ ये भी. मैंने चाय भी पिया और कॉफ़ी भी पिया. ओके, आई टेक टी बिसाइड्स कॉफ़ी, मैंने चाय के साथ वो भी किया. ओके, आई स्पीक इंग्लिश बिसाइड्स जर्मन, मुझे जर्मन के साथ साथ इंग्लिश भी बोलना आता. आई स्पीक हिंदी बिसाइड्स इंग्लिश, तो इसके साथ मुझे ये भी आ रहा है इन एडिशन टू. सो दैट इज़ वाई शी बॉट, क्या लाया उसने, फूड भी लाया एंड देन आफ्टर क्लोथ्स भी दिया. सो दैट इज़ वाई बिसाइड. ओके, जस्ट रिमेंबर देयर इज़ बिसाइड्स, सिर्फ एस को यूज़ करेंगे एंड देन आफ्टर सेंस इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट. सी दैट both the spelling are same, only s is there. Okay, so besides. Now see the second one. Isn't there a nursery beside the book store on Elm Street? beside का मतलब यहाँ पे बगल से है कि क्या उसके बगल में कोई नर्सरी है. ओके, नंबर 3, आई हैव बीन लर्निंग, यहाँ पे लर्निंग है भाई, आप लोग थोड़ा सा चेक करते रहिएगा. I have been learning since last year. Since is used for point of time and period of time. I explained you many times, so I'm not going to touch you this time. He has been going to gym for the last 3 months. तो यहाँ पे for and last, for and since. Clear? Number 5, this secret must remain forever. You and me की बात हो रही है तो between होगा. Okay, between. And the father divided his property equally. 3 children, 3 daughters की बात हो रही है, that is why the answer is among. Okay, children please go and play outside. And Mr. Joseph keeps standing children out of the class. Okay, this is answer. There is not a single cookies left in the jar. Can I throw all paper into the packet? So I explain you this also. Now exercise E. She agrees to me in agrees with. Okay, you may apply at the education. apply to होगा यहाँ पे, apply at wrong है, apply to का यूज़ करना है यहाँ पे आपको. she was accused for. so accused for को आप कट करेंगे और क्या लगाएंगे, accused of. clear? I am very proud with you have to cut, you have to write proud of. promise me that you will not tell to नहीं होगा, only tell होगा, tell him. clear? he was robbed for, cut for and then write off. okay, number 7, just wait. yes, so you should be ashamed on, there will be not on what you are ashamed of. clear? she is very quick learning, quick at, you have to use quick at. okay, there is this story is similar, not as. similar के साथ हमेशा to. are you prepared of, not prepared के साथ हमेशा for. clear? I feel sorry to, no, not to, what you have to use here, for. then interested to नहीं होता, interested in होता है. consist with नहीं होता, consist of होता है. okay, famous of, there is not famous of, there is famous for. rely on. let me check in the book once, which was question number 14. exercise E. no, exercise 15. rely. okay beta, here is given at, I have written answer here. here is given at. okay, so that is why rely at is not answer. what is answer? rely on. clear? 16, we find ourselves helpless. okay, we put our trust at God. so trust के साथ in लगाएंगे, in God. okay, the answer is in God. the officer was very pleased with, not of, answer is pleased. okay, all of us have full confidence in, not by. clear? you must keep control, not in, control of होता है. have that is I have, just wait. इसीलिए मैं बार बार वीडियो को आपको रिकमेंड करती हूँ. वाई? बिकॉज इफ देयर आर सम मिस्टेक वी कैन जस्ट करेक्ट इट. नो, इन PDF form वी कैन नॉट करेक्ट इट. सो प्लीज़ वॉच वीडियो. आई विल नॉट सेंड PDF of this chapter. Okay, then after 20 I have weakness of नहीं होगा, weakness 4 होगा. Now let's see exercise F. Exercise F is given page number 114. This 44. This is the last exercise. Use suitable preposition to complete the following sentences. 16 comes after 15. Do you know anything about Anita? I met her at. She will be here. Okay. She will be here at 4 o'clock. Why don't you look the picture at? He divided the biscuit among. Okay. Among in the class आप ये बुक में देख लेना. Number 7. The two girls finished pizza between them. She sat with the little. Okay. She then after 9 is she came straight into. She the best athlete in this group. Okay. Just threw it into the dustbin. 12. I read this story in a book. Okay. Will you go home your brother or in the class? 13 is there are two preposition you have to use. First dash will be will you go home after. So after home here will be with, and then this on will be here. Okay. This table is made of iron. Pranav played table tennis at clubhouse. So this is the exercises. All exercises we have covered. So student, now all exercises are finished, and then after the explanation of this chapter finished, if you have any doubt you can do comments. And one more thing, that in Zoom class we will clear this chapter if there is any doubt you have. And one homework I want to give you, as in the last class I had been given. So I will give you a question. Okay, so that you have to see and you have to answer that what let me write here. Okay, only one I will give, because in the last only 2 students have been given answer. Why they all are not participating? So let me write this one. I will type so that you can understand it well. So come to the last portion. That is very easy. I explained you. Okay, that was this now. Okay, now come to that will be homework that you have to do comment. Okay, you have to do comment. So first question I will write that okay, this one, tried. I tried to hide. I tried to hide dash the refrigerator, refrigerator, and the book, SHELF, bookshelf. Okay, so I tried to hide the refrigerator and I tried to hide the refrigerator and the bookshelf. Answer is you have to choose anyone in between two. And your another option is I will. So इन दोनों में से आपको कोई एक चूज़ करना है. And everybody, I suppose that everybody have to do comment here. Everybody have to participate in this comment, so that I can think that as all my students are doing well. Okay, so that I can found that you all are practicing well as completing your copy and all the things you done by you. So student, now this chapter preposition is finished, and I hope that this class is beneficial to you. So please do comment if you have any doubt, or you can ask in live class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.